Munini wa president arauga he bata mabundi na aruti wira honge-ini cia jua kali kwigwatira maratathi ma certificate kuma cukuru-ini cia kothi cia moko amu matikuoya ihinda inene gukiringithanio na arutwo eru.
We have people who have talents in electrical engineering, talents in mechanical engineering, talents in carpentry and plumbing, but they have acquired that knowledge informally.
Haha noho atariirie kiria arauga ni wirutiri na wihotori wa thirikari ruhonge-ini rwa githomo na makiria wihariria-ini wa grade ya 10 Januari ukite kuria hari njira ithatu cia mathomo iria ciendekithitio ateteire kuhuthahuthio kwa ithomo ria ithabu kuria arutwo aria matakoya njira ya STEM iria kuruhanagia science, technology, engineer na mathabu.
We are now in the process of building 1,600 laboratories to schools that do not have laboratories, especially those that will be in preparing students for STEM subjects. In the last 3 years, by close of this year, December, we'll have employed 100,000 teachers, almost 30%.
Minister wa githomo Julius Ogamba akiuga kigina gia tamu ino kuri mathukuru ma muingi gikurekererio na kiumia giki gitathirite.
I want to confirm, Your Excellency, that the capitation for third term has already been released. It is being worked on from the Ministry of Education as we speak and should be in the accounts of the various schools within the week.
Na guku mekunyitetwo ugeni ni mubunge wa Maragwa Mire wa Maua kuri me hamwe na mubunge wa kaunti Betty Maina mahinyiriirie kwagirithio na makiria kwa riera ria githomo.
Moja amesema he is earning more than the principal, mpaka principal akauliza mpaka zaidi yangu by the end of the month unapata kupitia hii. That is what the government mean when it comes to the digital platform and the creation of employment.
I'm a mechanic by profession. Na nilisomea jua kali wakati huo hakukuwa na shule za technical. Kwa hivyo you can be something kutoka hapa.
Kuma ruto 297 thiini wa cukuru cia kothi cia moko mwaka-ini wa 2022 nginya riu arutwo 207 thirikari irauga iratanya arutwo aya nimegukinya makiria ma milioni 1 thiini wa mwaka uyu. Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma Maragwa muhuro wa kaunti ya Murang'a, njitagwo Joseph Wachira.